Welcome back. Today we're looking at a next-generation cleaning machine built for homes that need deep cleaning, smart navigation, and true hands-off automation. This is the Mova Mobius 60 robot vacuum and mop, a powerful 2-in-1 cleaning system engineered for pet owners, busy households, and anyone who wants spotless floors with minimal effort. Right away, the Mobius 60 stands out with an incredible 30,000 PA suction power, giving it the strength to pull up stubborn debris, fine dust, pet hair, and dirt trapped deep inside carpets. This level of suction is rare in robot vacuums, and it shows instantly in the cleaning results. Even high-traffic areas come out refreshed and noticeably cleaner. What really makes it unique is the auto-interchangeable mop pad system. Instead of reusing the same pad throughout the house, the robot swaps between pads automatically during the cleaning process. That means cleaner floors, more hygiene, and a fully hands-free mopping experience. When tackling spills or sticky messes, the DuoSolution system, designed specifically for pet homes, ensures the right amount of water and scrubbing power every time. Navigation is another major highlight. The liftable navigation module lets the robot intelligently raise its internal components to overcome obstacles up to 3.15 inches high. Rugs, thresholds, and uneven flooring are no problem. It adjusts in real time, maintaining smooth and efficient movement throughout the house. Paired with advanced mapping technology, the robot builds accurate floor maps, plans optimized routes, and avoids clutter with precision. Whether it's furniture legs, pet bowls, or toys, the Mobius 60 knows how to move around them without slowing down. The mopping function is equally impressive. With controlled water distribution, clean pad rotation, and consistent pressure, floors get a fresh, streak-free finish. You can set room-specific cleaning modes, adjust suction levels, schedule routines, and monitor progress all from the app. For homes with pets, shedding season becomes far easier. The powerful suction, intelligent roller design, and DuoSolution cleaning system work together to handle hair, prints, and pet-related messes effortlessly. If you want a robot vacuum and mop that actually replaces manual cleaning, not just supplements it, the Mova Mobius 60 is a strong and reliable upgrade. Check the Amazon link below for more details, and make sure to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.